Good morning. In the market today, a question that many companies are facing is how to better acquire profitable customers. And Experian has a solution that can help answer that question, whether it be large automotive manufacturing companies qualifying lines of credit, medium-sized financial services organizations looking to extend credit products, or small businesses looking to grant payment terms to their customers. Experian, with information on virtually every business in America, has the data and the analytics and the tools necessary to help clients make those decisions, better decisions, reducing risk. And my name is Alan Anderson. I'm the president of Experian's Business Information Services organization, and with me here today is Adam Fingers, our senior vice president of marketing. And we're real pleased to be here at Finovate to announce the release of a new product on our Business IQ platform, Decision IQ Premier. But before I talk about Decision IQ Premier, I'd like to say a few words about our Business IQ platform that it sits upon. Business IQ is a platform that was launched 10 months ago that provides our clients with a simple interface to solve all of their commercial credit management needs. And that could be ranging from pulling credit reports to managing their customer portfolio, to being alerted to changes in that portfolio to react to those, to launching and managing collection campaigns. Decision IQ sits on top of Business IQ, and it's a new service that helps our clients manage their credit decisioning process. Clients can take advantage of, it's set up one or more credit policies, and can take advantage of pre-configured best practice, industry-specific credit decisioning elements that they can set up, or alternatively they can set up, customize those credit decisioning elements to suit their particular needs. So Decision IQ is really a four-step process, and I'll kind of walk through those 4 steps. The first step is setting up a credit policy, and Decision IQ offers a number of configurable elements to fit the client's needs. One notable element is the ability to distinguish between and set up the percent of automated decisions, credit decisions that are made versus manual credit decisions, and to change that percentage and that balance and take a look at how that's going to impact their customer portfolio before they actually implement that change. So for example, here you can see where the client on Decision IQ can adjust the number of, if they were interested in tightening their credit policy, adjust the number of automatic approvals and see the impact that that has on the bad rate capture in their portfolio. At the same time, they could increase the number of automatic declines in their processing system and thus change the bad rate capture in their portfolio. So they can see, again, the impact in their portfolio before they actually implement the change. The second step in Decision IQ is creating the decisioning rules. And here clients can create up to 100 decision rules. And the data that's going to feed these rules is going to either come from the application, the applicant itself, or it's going to come from the credit bureau providing credit information on the company. So in this example, you can see a couple of these rules where the client might, in interest of increasing the efficiency of the decisioning process, automatically approve any application under $5,000, for example. Rule number 3, you can see here, a client might say, in order to mitigate risk, might automatically reject an application with a commercial credit score of 25 or less on a 1 to 100 scale in order to, again, reduce their risk exposure. The third step in the Decision IQ process is to set the credit limits. And here's where clients can benefit from Experian system-generated credit limit recommendations, whether they're conservative, moderate, or aggressive credit limits, or they can customize their own credit limits. And the fourth step is that the client on Decision IQ can create a custom application form. And here's where the system will allow the client to choose from 80 predefined data elements or customize and add others, and determine which of those elements they want to have appear in the application form and which of the fields are required to be populated to process the application. And once the client generates and selects which of these elements that they would really like to have on their application, the system will automatically generate the application. And you can see here an example of a fictitious bank that has white-labeled Decision IQ and set up the application form. And here are all the fields that would be filled in. Obviously, these could be done at point of sale, online, or over the phone, for example. Once the application is completed, it's submitted, the system automatically processes the application, and the client's portfolio then gets updated. In addition, Decision IQ enables the client to monitor and track the processing of the application, the status of those applications, whether they're being processed, pending, or completed, and then the volumes, to monitor the volumes of applications moving through the system and the trends in those application volumes, and the ability to search through a search criteria or filters to identify a particular application or group of applications to better manage those. So once the application is completed and processed, the client's portfolio is automatically updated, and you can see here an application that's been completed where a credit limit of $15,000 has been established and completed for a client. So in summary, Decision IQ gives the client the advantage of being able to be up and running in a matter of minutes with a very simple to use credit decisioning process that affords them standardization across the enterprise with custom policies, custom credit rules, custom credit limits, and a custom developed application, enabling our clients to manage their commercial risk and grow and acquire companies and customers that are profitable. I want to encourage anybody who would like to find out more about Decision IQ Premier to please join us in our table outside, but certainly also online at experian.com/B2B. Thank you very much.